Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking you on a journey through Asakusa, one of Tokyo's most iconic and historic districts. Let's dive right in. Our first stop is Kaminarimon, the Thunder Gate. This massive red gate welcomes visitors to the heart of Asakusa. The giant lantern hanging in the center is over 3 meters tall and weighs almost 700 kilograms. Be sure to snap a photo, it's one of Tokyo's most famous landmarks. After passing through Kaminarimon, you'll enter Nakamise Street, a lively shopping street that dates back over 300 years. Here, you'll find traditional snacks like ninjyoyaki, small sponge cakes filled with sweet bean paste, and charming souvenirs like folding fans, yukata, and more. At the end of Nakamise, you'll arrive at Sensoji Temple, the oldest temple in Tokyo, founded in the year 645. It's a beautiful place, rich in history and culture. Before heading inside, visit the Temazuya, the purification fountain. Cleanse your hands and mouth with the flowing water to purify yourself before offering prayers. Next, you'll see a large incense burner called Jakoro. People gather around it, wafting the smoke over their heads and bodies. It's believed the smoke brings good health and wards off bad spirits. One of the most popular activities here is drawing an omakuji, a paper fortune. Simply shake the box, pull out a stick, and find your fortune. You can also purchase omamori, protective charms. They come in many types, offering blessings for health, safety, success, love, and more. It's a wonderful souvenir with a spiritual touch. When visiting temples in Japan, remember to act respectfully, speak quietly, dress modestly, and be mindful of others. If you follow these simple rules, you'll enjoy an even deeper experience. Standing proudly beside the main hall is the 5-story pagoda. Originally built in the 10th century, the current pagoda was reconstructed after World War II. Though visitors can't enter, the elegant silhouette symbolizes peace, spirituality, and resilience. Asakusa is the perfect blend of history, culture, and tradition, all nestled in the heart of modern Tokyo. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. See you next time.